Just woke up. Psycho, I didn't wake up just now. Had a shower. And yeah, we're getting ready to cruise to the Hoover Dam today. It's a pretty nice day actually. 16 degrees, got the shorts on. So yeah. Hey Jan. Morning.
Morning, thank you. Shorts again today, spray soldier?
Yeah, it's 16 degrees, Jan. We're going for a swim in the dam.
Yeah.
Hey Hanson.
Hey, Jen.
Do you want to see if
Very
there's...
tired.
You want a gummy? Damn, it looks so dark.
That's all good. Just from the front. Nah, we'll do a gummy review tonight, probably.
I bought myself a big jar. I'm getting ready for that.
They try it. Had the gritty.
I might swerve in that corner, whoa.
Gosh. Quick temperature check. 7 degrees. You see my breath? Like my air purge actually.
Oh, you're a genius.
Oh, my charger. Quick pit stop. Just getting a hard drive and a new GoPro lens.
Yeah.
Shot.
So keep buying damn SD cards or whatever.
Alright. Hard drive secured, but didn't have a lens, so.
That's a solid.
How do you do?
Hey buddy,
Alright.
how are you?
The weapons or drones aboard, guys?
No.
Go left.
Thank you.
All windows down.
Chuck it down.
I'm gonna drop it. Drop the GoPro.
How long it took him to build this fucking bridge?
Damn. Look at that dam. So scary looking over the edge. Throw it off.
See the vision. Let's go down here.
I'll just keep it a jump.
Parkour! Parkour!
Just going back to the car. We're gonna drive to actual dam park.
This work of art is designed to honor the opponent.
The review's review. The review's under review.
Oh, here.
Oh, fuck yeah.
And there's one there as
There's
well.
lunch.
Oh, they're tiny.
Fantastic.
Got big enough to sit down.
got?
Big nuts.
Really?
Look at him shaking around. Hey Tommy, do you want to jerk me?
Fucking in.
Do you want any beef jerky?
No, I'm right.
Alright.
So you can get your immunity. I don't know reason just to get fired up. You can meet at the
We've arrived at the next fast food restaurant. There's Five Guys here, but we're going to get Raising Cane's, which is just around the corner.
Oh shit.
There's premium outlets just over there, so we go over shop, see what's in there.
Candy cane.
Need to get some new kicks. Need to get some fresh kicks, yeah.
Me too. Outlet premium.
Five Guys, Raising Cane, let's try.
That's what everyone does. You get a whole cup full of sauce.
No way, that's bullshit. Even Rutland as well. And then we're looking at it. Yeah, right, he's been on the shit of all the way. I've been far.
The table's on a till.
The table looks like it's going to collapse.
There's chip there.
Oh, get out of it, dude.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's good as. Smashed it.
Nice.
So good. Big man for the road. That was very enjoyable. Chicken was juicy as. What's going on?
Thank you.
See ya. Coming?
Are you coming?
Let's go on the outlets now.
Premium outlets. Las Vegas.
Buy some food. Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, for later.
Me need to poop.
Oh, it's tough. Those outlets.
Not very good. Everything was pretty much the exact same
Appreciate it.
price.
We're going to a big shopping centre tomorrow anyway, so the day after. Be way better. Give us some. Dog's out.
Don't fuck with my fit unless you're gonna get fucked. Oh, Mackie Tones!
Hey?
Oh, we're close as fuck.
Yeah, it's Argus just over there. You can literally see.
Go pause the footy.
Oh, so dusty, bro. Temperature check.
Nippy toes, nippy legs.
11 degrees. Dogs out. I like turtles.
I like turtles.
You got cats here.
I got.
What have they got here?
They got albino geckos. These big geckos.
They got
Jeez.
ferrets, cunt.
Look at these ones here.
Holy.
And dragons.
They got ferrets. No one cares about a fucking lizard.
He's scratching himself.
What is that? What is that?
It's a chameleon, is it? Oh, it's a false chameleon.
That was pretty funny.
I need some of that. Look at these OLED fish. No puppies
I feel
shown.
gay saying, hey, do you guys have any puppies here?
What a shame. Alright, let's cruise. What was that other one you said?
It's a Dollar Tree Park.
Oh,
It's the dollar store.
fuck that dollar store. Sunset. Look at Bosch. I'm just going in Target real quick.
What are you gonna get? SD card?
Yeah, some SD card thing.
Let's ask one.
Nobody asked. Get secured. How much was this? $20.
Stuff in the bag here.
Yeah, see about that.
Do you guys want this bag or you just want me to take it?
Yeah, we'll just take it like it is, yeah. Perfect.
34 cents is your
Lovely.
change.
Thanks so much.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Really like One Piece. Oh, that's a Japanese film as well.
All this yapping, but
I'll find some, that's why. I'll find some. Hey, how are we? I was having a look. Yeah, cheers.
I don't have these red ones.
Cruising for a bruising.
No bueno on the
Nah, no.
shop there. Too picky as can't.
Keep walking.
Do what I've got, bro.
Keep trotting. Have a look around. I don't hit the phone. Charlie's gonna be pregnant. Holy shit. Slow down. Fuck it. Oh. Fuck it. Poor Coles, man, get the trolley back.
That's a bank.
Drive-through.
bank.
What the fuck? So out to Mackie D's for a quick dessert and then we hit the gym at the apartment. We're definitely getting a jaywalk kick in.
Ready?
Oh, hell. I'm waiting for someone to toot us.
I mean, they should be. What the hell?
Oh, these are the things here.
Did you get any booze on it?
No. Sorry review. It's pretty simple. Yeah. Exact same. Damn, that took ages, bro.
Take two.
Same.
Okay, same.
Same.
Still busting. Spicy chicken. Looks spicy.
Just got a few goodies from the survey.
There you go.
Some blue turkey meat stick.
Wiener sniffer.
These blue turkeys, the original ones are fucking on my days. They're so crunchy.
Are they better or worse?
They're like the same. They're fucking spicy. They're so good at the time, and then when you start
Which way we gotta go?
getting further into the packet, it fucking comes out the other side pretty bad. They're fucking hot chips, man.
I think the red ones are better. How do you feel?
Big meat stick in your mouth.
Teriyaki.
Glizzy in your mouth. And a weetie cup. Just come back. Got the singlet on, ready for the gym. Had a gummy. Let's go.
I'm too fat, sorry, I can't go.
Oh, you geeked and rigged.
Go, Jim! Sorry, guys, me
I missed him. He had his gyat out. His gyat. But yeah, so I just come home, sort out some more clips, because I bought this SD card, so all the clips are safe and sound on there, and then I'll edit them eventually, probably on the plane back, I'd say. Let's go, gym. Gym shot.
Small shirt, thanks for the small shirt, made me look huge.
One gummy. And
One
gym.
gummy deep review.
We're gonna have another half, but meh, we'll see how this goes. Nothing better than a bit of baggy session.
I'm just sitting there. This shirt's tiny.
It's a bit small. It's more crop than my crops too.
That's crazy, man.
You should actually crop that shit.
Anthony, is that not me?
Quick sesh. Oh,
Bull.
what's me?
80.
What do you want? Hey, bro. What we got? Lat pull down, chest tries and shoulders.
We'll just do a walk.
It's Charlie. It's Charlie.
You wanna put it in your mouth, a little down south. You wanna turn it up, how the fuck I'm talking about. Put it in your mouth, a little down south. You wanna turn it up, how the fuck I'm talking about. Yeah.
Yeah guys, it's the next morning 8:23. I'm just going to close off the vlog here. Forgot to do it last night. Kind of had that gym session and then caked it on the bed and just started watching TikTok and Reels and was dying of laughter. That fucking edible hit hard last night. But yeah, so I'll wrap it up here. And then the next vlog will be today and tomorrow, which is Friday and Saturday. So the next one will be the real fun one, and we're going out tonight and the next couple of nights. So yeah, stay tuned. Catch you in the next one.